everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing some microlock extensions in my hair using this human hair that I got off Amazon. This hair is 18 inches. It is called a kinky curly hair and it's human hair. Very easy to manage, and I'll be installing microlocks in my relaxed hair with this hair today. So as you can see, I got part of it done. These are the size pieces that I'm using. And basically in today's video, I'm just going to show you basically what I showed at the beginning, my parting, and just me installing these microlock extensions. I am at a point in my life where I don't feel like doing my hair all the time. And the way my life is set up right now, I do not have the time to do my hair every single day. And I feel like these would fit my lifestyle right now. So that's the reason for me installing these. As I'm recording this voiceover today, they have been in for about a month, and I do have an updated video coming soon after this one. But I just wanted to let you guys see the installation process and how I feel about the hair that I used. So yeah, just continue watching and I'll be in and out of the video per usual with the voiceover. This technique that you see me doing right here is called interlocking the roots. After I install the micro extensions, I interlock the roots so that they are secure. I've watched enough videos on YouTube University in order to know kind of what this is, and this is basically me interlocking my roots so that they do not dismantle. I guess during my first wash day, we'll see. I'll be doing a wash day today, and hopefully they don't slip or I don't have any type of slippage or anything, but that's just the process of me interlocking my roots.
Sweet, keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
So I wasn't sure that I could even do this style with having relaxed hair. I just took the chance to do it. I feel like my hair would lock because it's 4C hair without it being relaxed, and it's very thick and coarse. So I feel like my hair would lock with this type of human hair. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I'm already a month in and I'm seeing some of the hair starting to bud at the ends, and I feel like I'll be doing some maybe crochet interlocking with the ends of my hair that are starting to poke out. You guys will see in a follow-up video what I'm talking about, but I haven't seen anybody do this with relaxed hair, and I'm not sure if there's anyone out there that would like to try this method and let me be the first to try. And if you're interested in following my journey with these microlock extensions, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. and I'll keep you guys posted on this. And this journey is to basically skip the quote unquote ugly process of having locks. I did not want to start over. I didn't want to cut my hair. I didn't want to start with little tiny locks in my hair. I just did not. Like, that's just not the life I want to live. Like, that's just not me. So I decided to go this route. And I don't have a problem with it. So if you're interested in following my journey, just subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you guys posted and updated on a month-by-month basis and how I style my locks, because I do work a full-time job and I do wear different styles every day with this hair. So it's been doing me pretty good, and I'm in a gym, so it's been doing me really, really good. So I've been living my life this past month. So yeah, if you're interested, just continue watching and subscribe to my channel so you can follow this journey with me, and we can, point out my mistakes together and fix them together.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go.
If you guys have any questions or suggestions, because it's only been a month since I've had these in, if you have any questions, please comment them down below and maybe I can answer them in my wash video with the voiceover, because I am about to wash these either today or tomorrow or sometime this week. They haven't been washed yet and it's been a month, so this is the next day. And at that point last night, the night before, I was so tired and I had to complete it the next day. So I recommend that you put aside a couple of days so that you can rest in between. I was taking breaks, I was eating, I was binge watching shows. I was just only braiding in the bathroom because I didn't want hair to get everywhere in my house. So I chose to just continue to film and braid in the bathroom. But I was stopping moments at a time so that I can rest, because I have carpal tunnel and braiding my hair is going to become non-existent. I've done a lot of braid videos and I'll keep them up on my channel so that others can be motivated to braid their hair. But I have really bad carpal tunnel right now, and this is one of the reasons why I'm doing this to my hair as well. My hands hurt, y'all. Like, they hurt when I braid. I don't think I've been taking care of them the right way, so I do want to take some time off from doing protective styles and braiding my hair so that my hands can heal from that. So that's one of the reasons. But if you have any questions, please comment them down below and I'll answer as many as I can in my upcoming follow-up videos. So we're coming up on the end of the video, and every item that I used in this video will be linked in the description as far as the hair, the tool. The only thing I can say about the interlocking tool is that it's metal, and I think I'm going to link a plastic one because I'm going to switch to using a plastic one. I don't think I like the metal one so much, but we're coming up on the end of the style, and like I said, I'll link everything, the hair, the tools that I use in the description, so that if you want to take on this challenge as well, you can purchase the same type of hair. If you have relaxed hair, you can purchase the same hair that I use. But I'll be coming out with the follow-up video soon after this one, and thank you all for watching if you made it this far, and I do appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.
Door slam to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we're drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slam to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this all?